Let's see how to round your answers to the appropriate number of significant figures when there are multiple operations. In this question, there is plus and minus as well as divide. When we have multiple operations, the number of significant figures will be rounded sequentially following the sequence of the operations. To solve this question, we need to solve the parts in the brackets first. Here, 2000 grams is expressed in scientific notation as 2 times 10 to the power of 3. This specifies that there is only one SF, and we are confident in this measurement up to the nearest 1000 gram. So adding up these numbers, you would get 2008.221 grams, but actually you can only be confident in this number up to the nearest 1000 grams, which is 2000 grams. So this number should be rounded to the nearest one significant figure. Now we look at the numbers below. 0.069 minus 0.017 equals to 0.052 centimeters cubed. This has two significant figures. Okay, the top number, as we mentioned earlier, has only one significant figure. Now you can calculate the final answer, which if you key into your calculator, you would get 38619.6 and etc. But now you can round it up to the smaller number of significant figures. So between 1 and 2 SF, the smaller number would be 1 SF. And therefore, you would get 40,000 grams per cm cube.